Most Muslims today know how to pray 5 times a day, but often overlook simple things like smiling at a stranger, eating with gratitude, or greeting people properly. Yet these small acts were things the Prophet Muhammad practiced consistently throughout his entire life. Today I'm sharing 10 beautiful sunnahs that cost nothing, take seconds, but carry massive rewards. Number 7 is something many people overlook today, and number 3 might actually change your relationships forever. Stay till the end, because I'm also sharing the one sunnah that ties all of these together and makes them easy to actually apply in 2026. Sunnah 1, smiling at others. The Prophet said that smiling at your brother is charity. In a world full of stress, anxiety, and screens, a genuine smile is rare. The Prophet was known to always have a cheerful face, even during hardship. This single act can soften hearts and open doors you didn't expect. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2 of this series, because there's so much more beauty in the sunnah we need to uncover together. Sunnah 2, starting with the right side. Whether it was eating, drinking, dressing, or entering a place, the Prophet loved starting with his right side. It's a small habit, but it trains mindfulness into your daily actions instead of doing everything on autopilot. Sunnah 3, giving salam first. The Prophet told us that whoever initiates the greeting is closer to Allah. He would greet children, strangers, and even people who disliked him. Saying salam first breaks pride and builds connection. This is the sunnah that quietly repairs relationships when practiced consistently. Sunnah 4, eating with gratitude and moderation. The Prophet never criticized food, as recorded in Sahih al-Bukhari. If he liked it, he ate it. If not, he simply left it without complaint. He also taught us in a narration from Sunan ibn Majah to fill a third of the stomach with food, a third with water, and leave a third for air, in a time of food waste and overeating. This sunnah is medicine for both body and soul. Sunnah 5, sleeping with wudu and remembrance. Before sleeping, the Prophet would perform wudu, dust his bed, and recite specific du'as. This wasn't just ritual. It was a way of ending the day in a state of purity and peace, something many of us desperately need in a world of doom scrolling at midnight. Sunnah 6, being gentle with family. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said the Prophet was the best of his family, and that he was the most gentle among people. He helped with house chores, mended his own clothes, and played with children. This sunnah directly challenges the idea that being tough or distant makes you strong. Sunnah 7, sitting to drink water. Sitting down to drink was the Prophet's overwhelming habit and the strongly recommended sunnah, though authentic narrations also show he occasionally drank standing, such as when drinking Zamzam water, to show it was permissible. Still, many people today have moved away from the sitting habit entirely, and it remains one of the simplest sunnahs to revive starting today. Sunnah 8, speaking good or staying silent. The Prophet said whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or remain silent. In an age of online arguments, gossip, and reaction videos, this sunnah alone could transform our communities if people actually applied it. Sunnah 9, visiting the sick. The Prophet made visiting the sick a regular part of his life, even visiting people who were not kind to him. This sunnah reminds us that compassion isn't reserved for people we like. It's a character trait we build regardless of how others treat us. Sunnah 10, making dua for others without them knowing. As narrated in Sahih Muslim, the Prophet said that when a person makes dua for someone in their absence, an angel responds amin, and the same for you. This sunnah is quiet, sincere, and free from showing off. It's one of the purest forms of love you can practice today. The sunnah that ties it all together. All 10 of these have one thing in common: sincerity. The Prophet never did these things for show. He did them because his heart was connected to Allah in every small moment. That is the real sunnah beneath the sunnah. Consistency in private just as much as in public. If this reminded you of something you've been neglecting, let me know in the comments which one you're starting with today. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe for part 2, and may Allah make it easy for all of us to revive these beautiful sunnahs in 2026 and beyond.